Now let's create a page where we can show the full detail of our property. Okay, so first we need to create a new page. So we'll click on add a new page, and this time I will name it as full detail page. Okay, and I'll click on create. Once the page is created, we have to show our data here. So first we have to tell the bubble that which kind of data we will be showing here. Okay, so we'll double click on it and click on type of content to seller. Okay, now first we will add an image here where we can show the image of our property. Okay, and I will click on insert dynamic data and current page seller image. Okay, after that, what else we need? I will increase its size to 900 pixels. Item. Now that's fine. Okay, now other than that, we need to add a text here where we can show our name, current page seller name, okay. Now let's take a copy of this. Okay, and this time we'll change the name to contact. Again, we'll take another copy of this and we'll change the name to city, and one more copy, for type. Okay, now we have to connect both of these things, the button and this page. So we'll go to our main page and double click on our button and start an edit workflow. Now what thing we need to do, whenever we click on this button, we want our user to navigate to the full detail page. So we'll click here to add an action and navigate, go to page. We'll select the page, full detail page, and we will also send the data. We'll select current cell sellers. Okay, that's it. You don't need to do anything else. Now let's preview our application. Okay, now if I just click on this, see full details, you'll see that we will be navigated to our full detail page, and here you can see the image, name, contact, type and location.